everyone, this is Napika. Welcome you all on my channel IELTS at Home. As you know, we prepare lots of videos on IELTS module, IELTS basic information and on listening module especially. But in today's video, you will learn something about grammar. What is the difference between tense and sentence? Because there are lots of students who have problem in basic grammar and also in sentence formation, so I thought to prepare some videos on this. So in my upcoming video you will get content about grammar as well as IELTS module, and I would like to remind you all that I'm also on Facebook and Instagram, and you can find the link of that in the description box below. And if you want to watch my previous video, you can click on the I button on your screen and you can find the link of my previous video on that. So without any further delay, let's start.
Let's start with basic grammar. As you all know, English has 26 alphabets or letters. Out of the 26 letters, 5 are vowels. These are A, E, I, O, U. You can see these on your screen on the right side. And the rest of 21 letters are called consonants. If we talk about the sentence, it's a group of words that are put together to mean something. Words are the combination of letter or alphabets, or you can say that letters make the words. A to Z, there are 26 letters. You can see on the left side of your screen, and in the middle of the screen you can see the blue box in which I wrote the examples of words like Navpreet, IELTS, grammar, girl, intelligent, home. So the letter makes the words. And these words make sentence. For example, my name is Navpreet. I have one sister. He is my brother. Canada is my dream country. Kiran will be at home. So these all are simple sentences. Let me clear you all the difference between tense and sentence. In tense, on the right side you can see on your screen, there is a verb, action or work, and subject perform it. Subject perform the verb, action or work. For example, I love my parents. So in this sentence, a tense, love is a verb or action that I perform because I am the subject. Or in sentence, there is no verb. There are two categories in sentence, category 1 and 2. In category 1, there is no verb, action or work. Like, he is a boy. There is no action about this. There is no action about he or boy, what he is doing. So in category 2, if there is a verb, but subject doesn't perform it, that is also a sentence. For example, she is tired. In this, tired is a verb, but she doesn't perform any action here. You can understand this by reading tense example also. Now you can see sentence examples on your screen about category 1 and category 2. And also tense examples. You can see here the tense example, he is writing a letter, she is eating, Geeta is dancing. In all these examples, there is an action that is performed by the subject. Here the subject is he, she, Geeta. And the actions are or verbs writing, eating, dancing. So this is the main difference between sentence and tense. In tense, there is a verb and also there is an action which is performed by the subject. But in sentence, there is no verb or there is no action that is performed by the subject. As I earlier explained that nothing is explained about the work done by subject, that is called simple sentence. And there are 4 types: affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, or negative interrogative sentence. Third and fourth type can also be used with WH family, which I will explain later. All these 4 types of sentences can be formed in present, past, and future sentence. And in my upcoming videos, I'll show you how to make sentences, rules, and their uses. Thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe and share also. Watch my previous videos too. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can find the link in the description box below. Thank you.